Yep.
1, 2.
Oh, that sucks.
You're gonna get it. 1.
Yeah, everything is brilliantly positive, not quite positive. Just wanted to pull you up on that. Can you just quickly let me know what the upgrade is for both cameras, please? Kat wants to say something.
That's so good that he's got the talking device. That's going to make such a big difference to him. He can actually communicate and not get frustrated.
Yeah, let me know that first, and then I'll come back to you, mate.
Did you speak to them about having, the option of having an eye gaze as well as, it's like a small joystick that he's able to maneuver it as well? But that's a brilliant start. Amazing.
And we have brought to you a story about a young man. And to tell the story, we have his dad, Andy Mallet.
Hello.
Hi,
Hiya.
lovely to have you on.
Thank you
and
for having
to
me.
share.
Don't laugh.
He looks good though, doesn't he? Without any makeup.
So I just wanted to share with you, we went back to Sky today and we shared our wonderful Sunday together. Yeah, it's just great, an immense inertia in what we're doing collectively. So, but I'll share that with you when you come back down to earth, literally on Friday. All right, fella, lots of love. Ciao for now. Thoughts?
Thoughts?
Yeah.
I hope his parachute opens. That's a bit of a worry.
He'll be right.
Enjoy your blast.
Oh, yes.
Enjoy the spinning of it.
Oh, wow. Oh, that is amazing.
Oh, the